Tell me if this sounds familiar. You're staring at your integration platform bill, Boomi, MuleSoft, ServiceNow Integration Hub, and thinking, why does this cost so much? It started off cheap, but now with all the coding, care, and feeding, I feel like I'm running an entire department just to keep it alive. Well, you're not alone. Legacy iPaaS platforms are designed to keep you hooked, but the costs keep climbing while your flexibility and sanity spiral downward. And you still need dedicated programmers just to maintain basic workflows. Let's face it, what worked a few years ago might not work for today's challenges. It's time to explore your options. Meet Automate, the modern orchestration platform that combines robotic process automation, business process automation, and integration platform as a service into one insanely easy to use platform. With Automate, you can cost justify one work stream at a time, build workflows without a coding degree, and finally say goodbye to overwhelming bills. No more trade-offs between functionality and budget. You can design and deploy workflows in minutes. Automate integrates seamlessly with tools you already use, making it the ultimate replacement for those legacy platforms. So, why keep paying for outdated platforms that drain your resources? It's time to take control of your integrations and your budget. Head over to automate.com and start your 30-day free trial today.